Emakhosini ithokozani bakwethu, this Dr. Utikhetla Makhehla Nyanyinkulu yase Ningizimu Afrika. Sanibona, dumelang, apsheni and hello. Ngiyanithanda, kiyalerata, kiyalerata, kiyalerata. Bakwethu, namhlanje I want to talk about a very serious help. Umuthi wabesuthu obarenki tsila, love breaker muti. Love breaker muti. There are those people of which bagwethu batrita abantu gabi. By the way, before ngiyapambili, if you don't know me, good Dr. Hoti, amagama okuzalwa, I am Katlego Duncan Hoti. I'm a freeborn African child, rightly from the streets of Fine Town. I'm a ghetto boy. I'm from the serious ghettos. But namhlanje, I've changed all that. Now you'll be able to do that. Mamela ngwaneso, sasekule ndaba le. Love breaker. Kunabantu ukuthi they've treated you very bad. How may I say by so saying, ke batla o bua ka taba e reng. Uthole ukuthi uyindoda uyaphila, umfazi uyaphila. You have this particular friend of yours which normally visits your home. Uyindoda. You have a friend which normally visits your home. Or you have someone who you have plugged somewhere. He's now more like your brother. Yet, lo muntu lo unyoba umfazi wako. Mutu o ukota kuku ya mosadi wa hao. Lo muntu lo udla ikuku lo mfazi wako. Uyamunyoba, wamukota. Ebusuku wena uko, unyoba umfazi wako. Emini wisemsebenzini, unyoba umfazi wako. Sometimes the person is your worker. Sometimes the person is your relative. Umntana kamalume wakho udla umfazi wakho, wamunyoba. Then that thing reaches to a point where umfazi wako has to leave. Mamesha, awungikutorikering, awungisithi uthi njini kuwena. Umfazi wako, this thing reaches where your wife has to leave. Or where your husband has to leave. You came with a friend. In your own house, you introduced your friend. Jiki, your husband is now snitching that that lady ngale ngaphansi uyamfenda. It even reached to a point where your husband left your own house to be with that particular lady somewhere. Listen to me very carefully. Angidlali la ngikhuluma into serious. Ayibapale mo into serious. It even reached to a point where indoda yakho iyakiyeka. Yahamba le ntombazana le snitch somfazi Satan itsotsi mulo ipere ntsha. Yomfazi usile, intombazana esifebe esile. Mona woxwele because of a mistress, barbaric, foolish mistress. Huh? Your next door neighbor, your friend, someone odlala isitokufela naye hlezi eza kwakho kanti ukudlela indoda. Ujela msadi. Noma ukudlela indoda. Umakhelwane wakho ukudlela indoda noma ukudlela umfazi. I do have a solution for you. Irregardless of you want this woman, you don't want the woman anymore, or you want this man, or you don't want this man anymore. Listen to me very carefully. I'm just trying to show you another aspect of life. Sometimes you were divorced. You were divorced because of a young man. Oh, that mhlaba umfazi wakhe, mhlabaza suze. Amhlaba umfazi angakufuni nokukufuna. Muthi uyalidla, hayi ngisemapiratini. Ha kidi pirato. Iyakula. Fozak. Kula masepa. Fozak. Iyakula. Ayikuli. There are those women umehlaba yenye indoda uzafake nepets. Ayifake tomato sauce. Athi ufuna ukubona. Awonsar. Now uthi hey. kanti akuna nix. Sifebe santsha, sis sifebe santsha pere, sis sifebe. Umehlaba enye indoda, imhlaba zakake enye indoda, imhlaba banyele. After mo wena sawubathi akasakufuni aza kulahle. Uyazi omunye umfazi ukulahla unemali unjalo, akulahle nemali yakho. I'm sorry, you mean nothing to her. Akulahle unemoto ezu-16 njengami, akulahle ngendaba nawe. Akulahle unemizo 12 njengami, akulahle azaphume kuwe. Akulahle onama plots, awubonisa you are nothing to me. Because of isendele enye indoda. Akulahle umise esikoleni, akulahle umise esikoleni, awulahle unyele, awulahle umise esikoleni, akulahle. I'm telling you, when you think I'm lying, when you think I'm lying to you, because of you always think ukuthi ngikhuluma amahlaya. Mina I'm not trying to I'm not a what you call this, God itlampalele. Ase akidili ka seka senna, akiclown nginyanga. I'm telling you something ezamaqiniso ezenzakalayo. Akulahle umenzela yonke into, akulahle eyazi ukuthi nanoma ngimishila ngazi ngiyakuphi kodwa ngihambela nje isende engilizwa ngathi ngalihlaba kahle. Muthi yabheka mkhulu wemuthi mwaka ushaya amashukela na 55 years 60 years awusakwazi nokunyoba kahle. Nanomunyoba usunyoba ngeside eli1, nanomunyoba usunyoba ngeside eli1, awusahwala unyoba. Ari yo ha gone lo kota ke amotlwela nna ke a re wena wa sheba unyoba fela ka side eli1, usathi uyayifaka isichamile, usathi uyayifaka isichamile. Ari ke alahla masipa. Haka qala fela dog style adunusa bheka le mulfaka nje usuqhamile. Usurutile. Ari ke alahla masipa. Athole ngwana omnyane, umfana omuhle, umfana oright. Angena nix. Umfana hlaba umfazi wakhe azakuyeke. These are the things engizele ukuthi ngikusize ngazo. Uma washa ngestina, uma wathathela umfazi, uma wathathela intombi, uma wathathela indoda, uma wathathela umuntu othandana naye, I'm here for you. Uma wathathela umuntu othandana naye, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Love breaker tsila. Love breaker umuthi tsila. Muyidinga lempande uyangifonela, muqede ungifonela. Uza kumina uphethe imali nge-3,000 rand. Ngizokunika lo muthi. I'll tell you what to do ngalo muthi. Lo muthi lo uma usebenzisa qabanisa ithandani. Lo muthi lo uma usebenzisa qabanisa abantu abazwanayo. Lo muthi lo uma usebenzisa uyenza ukuthi abantu abazanayo baqabane, bangazwani. Bayaqabana. If there are people of bahlangene ngawe noma kunomuntu okhandlela isithanda sakho, lo muthi lo yakusiza tsila plus 1 2 3 4 uzosebenzisa. If at work kunabantu abahlangene ngegama lakho, uyakwazi ukuqabanisa. If umuntu ukuthi unomfazi wathathwa ufuna uqabanisa abantu, this thing deals ukuqabanisa abantu. 3 days results tsila love breaker. Batho ba ratana nka wena masipa bona ke tlo ba lokisa nna. Ene nawe baba lento tshintsha ngestina, stop it. Stop this thing uthi munyoba umfazi, you only nyoba ngeside eli1. Nyoba ngamaside wonke, mshaye ngala umnyobe ngala. Not an issue ukuthi unyoba fela kamo batla usiya basadi. This Dr. Uti khehlela makhehle nyange enkulu yaseNingizimu Afrika. Love breaker umuthi 3,000 rand. Come and see me. Ngwenzele lento. It will only be 3,000 rand for October, not October, I mean to say April, March, May. Yanyuka. Siyabonga. Thank you, Marcos.